To help investors pick right opportunities in the equity market, the ET Intelligence Group has shortlisted a dozen companies from across the large cap, mid-cap and small-cap segments, which look promising given their strong fundamentals and expected demand traction. The year 2016 would see the positive impact of a slew of factors such as low base effect, Ranbaxy's integration, and drug approvals from ex-Halol facilities. In addition, the exclusivity sales period of 6 months will begin for the generic Gleevec from February. This will add to the top line. NTPC's capacity utilization in FY15 was at a 9-year low of 80.2%. This will increase once industrial demand picks up. The earning trajectory of Hindustan Petroleum, India's third-largest oil fuel retailer, is expected to improve as there is limited chance of substantial decline in crude oil in absolute terms from the current levels. This will help the company arrest its inventory losses, which marred its performance in the past few quarters. Nilkamal, a plastic products manufacturer, reported sharp growth in earnings due to the fall in raw material prices in 2015. With the crude prices falling by more than 20% in the last 2 months, margins will be even higher in the coming quarters, and earnings growth will continue. Movie exhibition PVR is expected to benefit with a strong lineup of movies in 2016. A few eagerly awaited big films such as Wazir and Jagga Jasoos got pushed to 2016 due to date and finance issues. PVR has a market share of close to 25% of India's multiplex industry and a revenue share of 17 to 22% of indie films' box office collection. V-Guard Industries promoted Wonderla Holidays is one of the leading amusement park operators in India. The company operates 2 parks in Kochi and Bengaluru. The company is expected to come up with a new park in Hyderabad in April 2016. This new park is expected to boost footfalls, revenues and cash flows of the company. A slew of factors like commercialization of insulin glargine from its Malaysia facility, increased investment in research and progress in its biosimilars pipeline point to Biocon's performance improving in the quarters ahead. Muthoot, the largest gold loan financer, will be one of the chief beneficiaries of a turnaround in the economy. In addition to this, an increase in gold loans will lead to improvement in its asset quality going ahead. Orient Paper's plan to demerge its paper business will unlock value of its consumer business. It is one of the leading fan manufacturing companies and will benefit with the government's thrust to rapidly electrify villages. Hydro S&S, a polymer supplier to automakers, reported net profit in September 2015 quarter after posting losses in the 12 quarters out of the past 14. After the recent infusion of funds by the promoter, the company is likely to be debt-free. Jamna Auto, supplier of leaf suspension to commercial vehicle makers, will be a key beneficiary of double-digit growth in medium and heavy commercial vehicle sales volumes for the current and next fiscal year. The Delhi-headquartered company is a market leader in conventional leaf springs segment. Its focus is to improve its content per vehicles by foraying into air suspension and lift axle segment, which is a higher margin segment. Snowman Logistics is a leading player in providing cold chain services to FMCG, food processing and dairy industries. By FY18, the company is planning to double its cold chain capacity.